Midway ground, Southwest 807, taxi out Bravo 25 Oscar.
Southwest 807, runway 4 right, and taxi via Tango Yankee, crossing 31 right and 31 left. For sequencing, I want you to follow company LC on Kilo.
Southwest 807, 4 right, Tango Yankee, cross 31 right, left, and we will follow company on Kilo.
Ground, Southwest 3761, ready to push off of Bravo 24 with Oscar.
Southwest 3761, Midway ground, push your discretion, planning runway 4 right.
4 right, push your discretion, Southwest 3761.
Midway ground, number 4688, Alpha 7, ready for push.
Number 4688, Midway ground, information, Oscar's current, push your discretion, planning runway 4 right.
Pressure, our discretion, we have Oscar for right, number 4688.
Southwest 1649, company off the right on Yankee will follow you.
1649, copy.
Ground, Southwest 4690, we are ready for taxi.
Southwest 4690, runway 4 right, taxi via Yankee, hold short of Papa.
4 right via Yankee Shore, Papa, Southwest 4690.
Section 333, turn right hotel, then contact ground.
Hotel and ground, executive jet,
same runway, so that usually drags us out a few minutes. Should be off the ground in about 10 minutes, hopefully. Real quick flight, 2 hours, 28 minutes at 39,000 feet. There are going to be a couple bumps here and there. Do us a favor, just pay close attention to the seatbelt sign. It's going to be more than a few more minutes. We'll get back with you about this plan.
Southwest 2052, turn right, pop if you have it. If not, Yankee 5, contact ground.
Papa, contact ground, Southwest 2052. Southwest 3292, 4 right.
South 3292, Midway Tower, company holds position, runway 4 right, clear to land.
4 right, clear to land, Southwest 3292.
Southwest 3217, wind 020 at 16, turn right, heading 130, runway 4 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 4 right, right turn 130, Southwest 3217.
Southwest 3217, contact shadow, approach, good day.
Departure, Southwest 3217.
Wind 040 at 16. Southwest 776, Midway Tower, company 4 mile final, runway 4 right, line of way.
4 right, line of way, Southwest 776.
Southwest 878, Midway Tower.
Yep, inside Takeoff.
Southwest 878, company holds position, runway 4 right, quick to land, wind 040 at 15.
4 right, Southwest 878. Reverse pop over Southwest 3292.
South 3292, pop the proof, contact ground.
Up over the ground, Southwest 3292.
Southwest 776, wind 040 at 15, turn right, heading 130, runway 4 right, clip takeoff.
Heading 130, 4 right, clip takeoff, Southwest 776.
South 776, turn right, heading 130, runway 4 right, clip takeoff.
4 right, clear for takeoff, heading 130, Southwest 776.
Southwest 776, kind of shadow push, good day.
Going to departure, Southwest 776.
Southwest 1649, Midway Tower, traffic cross down field, wind 040 at 15, runway 4 right, line of way.
4 right, line of way, Southwest 1649.
Southwest 878, turn right when able, contact off.
When able, ground Southwest 878.
Clear for departure.
Southwest 1649, wind 04015, turn right, heading 130, runway 4 right, quick takeoff.
Right here at 130, 4 right, quick takeoff, Southwest 1649.
Southwest 807, Midway Tower, runway 4 right, line of way.
Southwest 807, line up runway 4 right.
Southwest 1649, 130 on the heading, at the shadow, push good air.
Departure 1649, yeah.
Southwest 807, wind 04016, turn right, heading 130, runway 4 right, quick takeoff.
Southwest 807, clear for takeoff, 4 right, right turn 130.
Southwest 4690, Midway Tower, runway 4 right, line of way.
Line for wait 4 right, Southwest 4690. Tower Police 1 is 5 to the southeast with Oscar, signature.
Police 1, Midway Tower, maintain clear flight below 2000 to the Midway class Charlie airspace, altimeter 3025, squawk 5174, and you're coming a little broken, sir, request?
5174 air below 2000 class Charlie, we are inbound for signature.
Southwest 807, contact Chicago, departure good day.
Southwest 807, switching, great day. Chicago departure, Southwest 807, 2.4, climbing 3000, heading 130.
South 807, departure, contact, right heading 200, climbing 6000.
2006,000, Southwest 807.
South 1649, connect Chicago Center, 120,
2012, Southwest 1649.
Molecular, you're approved to Jerry, contact 3000 or above.
Roger, 737, take off, thanks.
South 807, Connington 8000.
807, 8000. Yourself with 4690 at 2103.
That's 4690, start departure, contact, right heading 230, Connington 6000.
230 heading up to 6000, Southwest 4690.
South 807, switch to 10, Connington 9000.
Direct get up 9000, Southwest 807.
South 4690, Connington 8000.
1000, Southwest 4690.
Waiting hours, 30. 07, flight engine 11,000.
11,000, Southwest 807.
South 4690, switch to studio, flight engine 11 correction, suggestion Comiskey, flight engine 10,000.
Comiskey up to 1010,000, Southwest 4690.
Flight 3761, 2.3 time at 3,000.
South 3761, carry flight to the contact, turn right heading 230, flight engine 6000.
30 and 6,000, 3761.
South 807, flight engine 12,000, contact China 120, flight engine
2012 up to 12,000, Southwest 807, good day.
One.